So in last two classes, we have completed enterprise structure, assignment, and controlling. In the enterprise structure, the first thing is definition. For definition, we should start by defining the company, which is having T code OH15. So here we define our company. So here it is, we need to create a new entry. Click on new entry. We can give the name of our company like Vishnu Electricals. Street PO Box city country language key currency. Now giving all the details, we need to click on save, and only one time we can give the description of the client. Click on save and click on enter. Our data was saved, means our new company named as Vishnu Electrical
There's a PO box.
created.
PO box.
PO box.
You've not entered the PO box.
Post office box of the.
You've not entered the PO box. You've not entered anything in the PO box. And I informed you, Vishnu, that the country should be DE, that's Germany. Currency should be euros.
So for that I have created earlier BOL1. So I am trying with new one. For example, defining the countries for in India means that could be easy to understand for the peoples.
No,
Just for
you do what I'm saying.
Oops.
Change the
Let
country
me
to D,
change.
currency to INR, or currency to euros.
Okay. Religion.
Save.
Postal code. So in Germany, maybe that postal code should be of 5 digits. So it was asking for that. So go back. Now our company has been defined. Now we need to define a company code that is the branch of this company. So for this, we need to go to EC01. Here we can go to structure. Oh, no. Copy organization object. Here we can give the standard SAP company code that is already been defined, from which we can define our company code. So click on enter. Here only copy the GL accounts if you want to look at the same chart of account to the company target company code as to the source company code. So here we want to copy all the GL accounts so that we don't need to make it again. Click on yes. Controlling area is also assigned to company code. So here we don't need to already assign 8000. Click on no. The reference company code has local currency USD. If we want to allocate different USD, different currency to our direct company code, do we want to allocate a different local currency? Yes. We need to enter the different currency other than USD that we want to assign to our company code. Enter euro. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on Enter. Do you want to transport number ranges? So for now, we don't need to transport number ranges because we can define them later. So the data is transferring is in progress. This is just a warning that this table can only be transported generically. We need to click on enter. Now we can see that the request has been generated for copying the company code. Click on enter. Because all the data of standard company code is being transferring to our new company code, so it is taking time. Interval subject overlap with interval to subject 1710. So it is asking for the new copying. So we need to click on cancel here. An error occurred. So here we need to continue copying or stop intervals of remaining one object. Click on stop here. We can see that company code has been copied to VS12 without number range objects. So we haven't transferred the number ranges. So we can see that selected object is company code 1710 and the completed activity is company code 1710 has been copied to VS12. Now go back. Now in this company, we need to define our plant where we can manufacture or produce our goods. Click on new entries. We can give the name of the plant as VS Delhi plant. We can give the country code as DE. we need to choose the factory calendar that is already been defined because this is the part of HR. So we need to pick up only the already predefined. Let's search for the calendar that is being defined for the Germany. So here are all days are work days, 6 work days or 7 work days. So we need to choose W6 calendar. Now click on save. It will be asking entry D doesn't exist in 005E. Actually, this E005E is a table that that contains all the data of all the country codes. Let's see why it is. There is no country code Germany available in this list. UK and country codes. Let's check first what is the issue. As we have already defined our company code and company also, that we have defined VS123 with country D. D is for Germany. You're right. In this list, our company, our country is visible, but while defining the plant, from new entry, one second. Let me check goal one, goal two. Country is DE, Germany. This is available. Okay, okay. So we need to click on new entries, give the name, enter the factory calendar only, click on save, enter the title as company, name as we are defining plant here. So name as VS Valley plant, search term is VS, and here we can give two search terms. Means using these terms we can easily identify or search our this plant that we are creating. So street is Overton Road. Let's see, house number is 01. Postal code is 28140. City that we have already chosen in Germany, for example, Moldova. The country we need to choose C as Germany. In region, this is just like a state in a country. So let's choose Berlin here. We need to enter PO box, postal code. We can give the other details also like fax, email, and other things. Click on enter. PO box must have length 5. Okay, okay. So these are the warnings that we found. so that we can change the data as per the requirement. Click on enter. So here the plant VS12 has been created. Now go back. In this plant, we need to define a storage location. Here we need to define the plant first, for which plant we are trying to define the storage location. So we have our plant VS12. Click enter. In this plant, we need to click on new entries. We need to define the storage location as VS1. It is production storage location. This storage location is can be used for raw materials. Click on save. Click on save. So we have defined storage location VS1 inside the plant VS12. Now go back. Go back. Now we need to define purchasing organization who is responsible for example, VS12, VS30, and VS14. So here we need to define our purchasing organization as standard purchase organization, regular purchase organization, and reference purchase organizations. Click on save, click on enter. So we have defined 3 purchasing organizations. Now we need to define a purchasing group having T code OME4. Click on entries. Enter the purchasing, for example, purchasing organization for VS1. We can give the telephone, we can give other details, whatever we have. Actually, we would receive all these details from the client. So we are just entering the demo details only here. Click on enter. Click on enter now. After now we have created purchasing group also successfully named as VS1. So go back. Now I have completed all the definition part. First defining the company, then defining the company code, plant, storage or storage location, purchasing organization, and defining purchasing group. Now close this as definition part. Open the assignment. Now we have already defined the company code and the company. Now how this company is linked to company, which company code, which company is linked to which company code, we need to define, we need to assign here. Like first go to position, enter the company code. So what is our company? VS123. So this company is having its branch as VS12. So we are assigning here the company code to the company. The data was saved means the company has been assigned to with the company code. Go back. Now we are assigning plants with company code. Here we have new entries. So click on it. Company code as VS12 and plant as VS12. Click enter. After clicking enter, we see that the data description of company code and plant has been visible now. Now click on save. Click on enter. So our this plant has been assigned under the company code VS12. Go back. Go back. Now we need to define purchasing organization for the company code. Here we have no new entries option, so we have already have a position option, but this VS12, VS13, VS14 is already visible in the list, so we can directly put our company code here against the purchasing organizations. Just enter the company codes and click on save. So here what we have done, we have assigned these purchasing organizations to our company code VS12. You can see that we have found this error like our VS12 company code is giving the name as company code 1710. Why this error is coming? Because I have missed one step of this OH02, where we need to change the name of the company code, because we have copied the data from 1710, so that's why it's taking only the standard data. So we need to edit the entry here. Click select this and click on change display VS12. Double click on and click on. Why it's not taking? So here we need to define and change the name of that company code. VS Electricals. So we need to be specified at each location that we are doing the correct configuration. We need to change the country as D and currency is Euro, language is EN. Click on save. Click on save. Now go back. After we found that I have missed this step, so I am correcting this. In definition, plant, stored location, these are individual entities, doesn't have any impact on this. But OS 16, let's check our company code VS12 has been assigned to company VS22. So where were we earlier? Assigning purchasing organization to company code. So here we have assigned our purchasing organization VS121314 with VS Electrical. See, now our name of the company code has been changed. So go back. This step has been done. Now we need to assign purchasing organization to plant. Click on it. We see that there is new entry here. So we need to enter purchasing organization like VS12, VS13, and VS14 is doing all the procurement activities for plant VS12. Click on save. Click on enter. So these three purchasing organization, standard, regular, and reference purchasing organization, is doing all
Vishnu,
the
sorry for
procurement
interrupt.
activities. Yes.
Vishnu, I have one doubt here. Here you are
Yes.
given VS12 as standard purchase organization and VS12 as a plant, right? Both are same. Is there any issue on that?
No, because one plant can have multiple organizations, purchasing organizations, and
Okay.
one purchasing organization can do procurement for multiple plants. So the relation between the purchasing organization and plant is many to many. So there is no issue here.
Okay. Thank you.
Well, now go back. Go to assigning standard purchasing organization to plant. Here we can define as VS12 is our standard purchasing organization. So So we need to define standard purchasing organization with plant. We can skip this step also because we have already assigned or standard purchasing organization with plant also. This step is needed if we haven't assigned here VS 112 standard purchasing organization with plant. So we can do this or this also. Similarly, this assigning purchasing organization to reference purchasing organization is used as a backup. For example, if our click on new entries, now our purchasing organization is VS13 as regular. We are need to give the reference of VS14. What is the use of this? Means if our this regular purchasing organization is unavailable, then we can do the procurement activities for the plant from VS14. That's we are doing this assignment. So we need to understand each and every step why we are doing that. What is the need of that? So click on new entries again, then VS12. Once again, which purchasing organization I have assigned? VS13 to VS14. So I need to assign VS12 also. VS12, that is standard purchasing organization. I am giving the reference purchasing organization as VS14. Now click on save. Now this step signifies that in the absence of VS12 and VS13, we can refer to the purchase organization VS14. Now our definition and assignment part has been completed. Now we go to controlling part. Here we need to define controlling area first. So go to X06. These are the just means warnings. We can, if this is having yellow symbol warnings, that we can ignore those. Here we need to click on new entries. We don't need to fill any entries manually. We need to just click on controlling area as company code. We need to give here company code and click on enter. Here we can see that in the last class when I was doing the setting the control area, it was not taking this. Why? Because my earlier QL1 controlling area was defined with 8000 controlling area. Means my company code BOL1 was defined to controlling area 8000. That mistake was done while copying the company code, right? But I have means rectify that issue, एंड यहाँ पे मैंने उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया कि मुझे कंट्रोलिंग एरिया को असाइन नहीं करना है, तो इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे इस टाइम पे असाइन कर रहा हूँ. तो हमें ये हर एक स्टेप पे ध्यान देना है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं और क्यों कर रहे हैं, किसका किस चीज पे इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा. सो वी आर असाइनिंग नेम VS Electricals, and we just need to do two things here. First one is controlling area as company code, and second thing is controlling area same as company code. So click on save here, click on enter. So you can identify what the two different things we have recognized in the two different ways. See, we need to go back while creating control area, because we need to save again here. Go back. Now we need to assign company code. What is the difference between these two steps? See, we have already means we have defining a controlling area in the first one. Now what we are doing? We are assigning that controlling area to our company code. Now our controlling area is same as company code. Click on enter. Select this assignment of company code. Here we can give new entries. Give the company code here. Press enter. Click on save. Click on enter. Click on enter here. You can avoid these warnings because these are yellow and can be rectified later also. Now go back, go back, go back. Now, what is the difference between these two steps? First one is defining controlling area. Here we are defining this controlling area. Now we are assigning that controlling area to our company. These two steps have been done. Now we are maintaining control area. In this step, OK KP. Click on position. Controlling area is BS12. Select this. Activate controlling component. We need to click on new entries. Fiscal area 2025 to this is blank because this will be taken as 9999 automatically. So click on save. What we are doing in this step, we are activating our controlling area, activating our controlling area from this year to this year. And we can see that VS12 controlling area has been assigned to our VS12 company code. So we have done this step. Go back. Now maintaining number ranges. Controlling area VS12. Go to intervals. No interval exists. So okay, because we haven't defined any group or number range here. So we need to change group. Here we need to create new group. Name as VS Electricals. Number range we can give as 1. We can define it from 1 to 1 lakh. Click on save. So these number ranges we can use in our next classes. For example, while creating master data of business partner, materials, and all. Go back. So we have we can see that VS12 has been defined here. Go back. Now we are maintaining the versions here. OKEQ. We need to check that if our version is latest or not. So select that plan actual version, setting for each fiscal year. Our controlling area is BS12. We see that our latest fiscal year 2025 is available here, so we don't need to do anything here. Go back. Now, while before creating cost center, see what I'm doing. I'm just maintaining the plant as cost center, but it is not showing any saving option. So because I have missed one step here, that is what is that? Okay, keep. In the last class also I missed that step. Can anyone help me to recognize that? What was that? Man, clicking on standard hierarchy. What is the T code for that? There, I forgot that T code to mention here. What is the T code for that? Where we select that standard, where we need to define a new company code at standard hierarchy. Can anyone help me with that before after? Because after that we can. Hello.
Maintain controlling area.
Case 0. That check. It is
Standard
correct.
hierarchy.
No, case 01 is create cost center. Abel, before this we need to maintain standard hierarchy.
Okay.
Okay, KP.
Okay, KPI. Okay. It is already. Oh, there. In, here we need to give our company code and click on save. It's saying that the standard hierarchy for VS12 doesn't exist. We need to create a new one. Click on save. Click on enter. Now go back. Now we can create a cost center. We can define our plant. What was the plant name? Please forward that to define plant VS12. Here we need to define plant as a cost center. Can anyone tell me why this saving option is not on? Because we need to maintain master data for that cost center. That what this cost center is means here. So this cost center is about the VS electricals. So we are maintaining the name of this cost center as VS electrical cost center. I'm giving the person responsible means this person is responsible for maintaining all the cost center activities. On the cost center category, we need to choose the production here. In hierarchy area, we have already maintained VS112 as hierarchy. In OKKP and in currency, it is euro. So select euro and click on save. So what has been done? Cost center VS12 has been created. Go back. Now we need to create cost element. See in the last class when I'm creating a GL account, I was not able to create a new one. Why? Because I have already copying all the GL accounts and GL accounts from that controlling area 8000. But here I need to define new GL account because for this time I haven't created copying the GL accounts for now. Here we can see the company code 1710 is visible. We need to change this from change company code. First, I need to change the company code here. VS12. So our company code is VS12 has been visible here. I think this time also all the reconciliation accounts. I think 121000000 was what was the GL account we were creating in these classes. Let me check if it is available or not. If it is not available, I need to create a new one.
12110000.
12
11
11
0000.
See 12110000 is for other down payments. It's already available in this company code VS12. So if I want to create a new one, it won't create. We can change the description if you want to. let's see if I want to create a, click on create GL account, this that we want to create. If I want to click on this, it will say that this account has already been created in this company code. So that's all, the recap of all these three classes, defining, assignment and controlling part.